Today I'll be making an easy pasta sauce using canned tomatoes. This homemade sauce is quick and easy to make and is an excellent sauce for spaghetti or other types of pasta. I normally make a big batch and I'll freeze it for another day. So it saves time and money and is also very budget friendly. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. If you have just dropped by, hi, nice to see you. If you're a regular, hi again. I wish you a warm welcome. Let's go and make this very quick and easy pasta recipe. I'll be using this sauce to make a mackerel pasta dish later on in the following video. You only need 4 main ingredients. First, finely chop 3 cloves of garlic. And chop 1 large onion. A tin of canned tomatoes, plum or chopped tomatoes. The supermarket's own brand is fine. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add in the onions and garlic. Saute until the onions is a bit soft. Then add in the plum tomatoes. Cut and mash the tomatoes into smaller pieces. There's no need to do this if you are using chopped tomato. Stir to combine. As I have leftover fresh tomatoes, I have decided to chop them up and add into the mixture as well. This is optional. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. As I have leftover tomato puree, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it. This is optional. If you don't have it, it's okay. Let it simmer for about another 5 to 10 minutes. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell. In the meantime, let's chop some fresh basil from my garden. If you don't have fresh basil, you can use dried ones too. Just roll up the leaves and slice it. Well, the sauce is almost ready and we season it with a teaspoon of salt and some sugar to cut the tartness of the tomatoes. The sauce is thick, but you can add some water to loosen it if you wish. And some freshly grated black pepper. Add in the chopped basil or the dried ones and give it a good stir. And the sauce is ready. Look at it. Then you can top it on your favorite pasta. If the sauce is a bit thick, add in some pasta water. There you go, an easy pasta sauce in less than 20 minutes. Now, isn't that easy to make? It takes less than 20 minutes to make the pasta sauce. So don't forget to follow the next video that I'm going to upload, which is I'm going to use this pasta sauce to make a lovely, delicious pasta using smoked mackerel and roasted sweet peppers. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button as well. Seriously, it helps to boost YouTube's algorithm and it will show to more people. And also hit the bell button if you haven't done so to know when the next video will be uploaded. There are more recipes on my home cooked meals here. And if you want to know more about my travels and my food review, it is also here. Bye. See you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.